Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm just going to share with you a quick unboxing. So this is a kit that I got from PG Cheap, and it was the Marigold collection. It was given to me as a gift, and I'm super excited. It comes with the 2 ephemera packs, bows, some of the stickers, as well as the paper pad. So that was really exciting. I absolutely adore this collection. But one thing it doesn't come with, and one thing I can't craft without lately, is a 12 by 12 paper pad. So I'm going to show you what I got from Scrapbook Nerd. You are pretty darn awesome for supporting Canadian small businesses. Thank you. So that's true. I actually love supporting small businesses. She actually has fantastic prices on her chipboard, as well as a really good supply. So what I picked up from her was another set of the ephemera, and I chose to get a double of the floral ephemera, and it comes with so many pretty flowers. I find that you can never have enough of those flowers. But I also got not 1, not 2, but 3 of the Marigold 12 by 12 chipboard, and I was so ecstatic to see that she had this. This is like between $7 or $8, I think it is, for these. And she had so many. I couldn't believe that she had 3 available there for me to buy of those. I did also pick up some more Sweet Story chipboard because I just had the 1 of them, but I have a lot of that collection, as well as the puffy stickers, which love puffy stickers. These 2 things right here, well, actually these 3 with the ephemera, puffy stickers, and chipboard, favorite, hands down, supplies to work with. And then I don't have a single other thing from this Fresh Boutique collection, but I thought I would pick up the 12 by 12 chipboard because it's something I didn't have. The colors all match the kind of crafting that I do. This would go good with a number of the other Maggie Holmes crafts, or craft collections. So that's why I picked up those. So I'm so happy to be able to get, let's see, 5 new sets of 12 by 12 chipboard, some new puffy stickers, as well as 1 more ephemera pack. So thank you so much for watching. I will leave a link down below to Scrapbook Nerd, just so you know there was a little lollipop in here, and my daughter was over the moon. She's like, I've been waiting for a lollipop. I haven't had one in such a long time. It was the best lollipop I ever had. So Scrapbook Nerd really made Sophia's day, and I was happy to get that from her, and I'm happy now that I have a complete collection to work with. I could have ordered the 12 by 12 papers from her, and I really was thinking about it because, gosh, these are just so gorgeous. This first set of tags here, and then this one. I just would have a whole paper pad just of any flowers like this that are pink and yellow. That is my favorite papers. So I'm super happy to be able to get that and to be able to work with it. Those little houses again are my favorite too. So yeah, that's great. So thank you again for watching, and we'll see you again next time. So I was super inspired from my new order that I sat down and created an entire basket full of shaker pockets. Now, let's start off with my favorite one. What I do for these shaker pockets is I create a sequin mix, and then I take one of these baseball card sheets, fill it up with sequins, seal them off, cut them up, and that is how I come to decorate the pockets. And then they have a little fun shaker that is a beautiful gift to give to a pen pal, or a beautiful way to package an item to have as a card topper, or a fun little addition to a cover of an album. I will have some close-up shots at the end with all of these here, but you can just see a little glimpse of what I've created. I'm going to slide these over so you can see better with the white on the background. I actually did two different sequin mixes. I actually did some with blue and teal and stuff, and then I tried to focus on some of the blue pieces that were in the chipboard and the ephemera. Can't really see this one a lot there, but I used primarily the chipboard and the ephemera and the stickers. Like, I love these clear acetate stickers. I brought in some flowers and some bows from my own stash. I always like the addition of some simple different textures on there. This is another one I really love. Anything with the deer are my favorite. Let's see if you can see that very well. Cute that is. I'll add feathers in sometimes behind because I like the way that that really looks. Made one of these sequin clusters with a pom-pom in the middle. Kept that one to like a black and white sort of theme. These houses are a really good size for this project because they're tall and thin. Another one of my hand-rolled paper flowers. And then last but not least, it's just a simple tag one that has some stickers and other embellishments with this vellum butterfly underneath there. So that's what I've created so far with my new collection that I got. I really recommend Scrapbook Nerd. If you are in Canada, this is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. I really like their super great customer service, fast shipping, wonderful products. And if you're a Maggie Holmes fan like I am, then I think you'll find that they often carry a lot of your favorite things. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.